All right, practice problem 5. What will I multiply by to get rid of the fractions? So I'm going to do the easy way first. 2 times 4, right? These are my denominators. So 8 is going to work. But there might be another answer, a better answer that's smaller. So multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, they're all there, right? 2, 4, 6. Multiples of 4 are going to be 4, 8, 12, 16. So the first and smallest number is actually 4. So these are both correct. You can multiply by either one, but this one's better because you'll have smaller numbers, which are easier to work with. Practice problem 6. Choose the equation equivalent to 1/2 x minus 3/4. So same equation as the last slide, but now it's been multiplied. I got rid of the fractions for you. Can you find the equation that's correct? So let's go ahead and start with easy one. 2 times 4 is 8. Well, actually it's 4 and it's 8. So maybe I'll start with 4. So I'm going to rewrite the equation, but instead of x, I'm going to put, I need to multiply it by 4 minus 3/4 times 4 equals 4 times 4, right? Everything got multiplied. Half of 4 is 2. I don't know what this is off the top of my head, but I do know this is 16. So do I have an equation that starts with 2x and ends with 16? So I have 2x and 4 and 2x and 12. So nope. So we didn't multiply by 4. So let's multiply by 8. Let me switch the color for you to red, and I'll do it up here. So I'm going to multiply the 1/2 x times 8, and there'll be an x. And I'm going to multiply 3/4 times 8, and I'm going to multiply the 4 times 8 as well. I'm going to do the easy ones. I know what half of 8 is. Half of 8 is 4, and there's still an x. I don't know this one, but I know that, sorry guys, I know that 4 times 8 is 32. So I'm looking for one that starts with 4x and ends with 32. Looks like it's going to be B. Let me check my work. So 3 times 8 is 24. Over 4 is 6. So B is correct. If you didn't follow all that, don't worry about it. Tomorrow's lesson is all about the actual multiplying and getting rid of the fraction. But if you were able to figure it out, then choice B was your answer. Now it's time for your exit ticket. You're going to be telling me what to multiply by, and I think that might be it.